In this tutorial, you'll learn how to style an HTML table using CSS properties. While it is possible to style an HTML table using HTML tags, the problem is that these tags are applicable to one table only. Using CSS allows you to share the styles between one table and another, or even many tables throughout an entire document, especially if you use an external style sheet. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is select the table. Go ahead and click on the corner of the table so that it is selected. Now, you're going to create a new CSS rule called a class in order to define the appearance of this table. If it's not currently open, make sure your CSS styles palette is open and that the tab is selected to all. And then in the bottom right-hand corner, click New CSS Rule. The New CSS Rule window appears, and at the very top of the window, make sure that the menu for selector type is Class, which is the default. In the middle of the screen, you're going to want to give a name to your class. You'll want to call the styled table, although the name is actually arbitrary. At the bottom of the window, you will want to make sure that the new rules for this table are being defined in the external style sheet. So click on this menu and choose mystyles.css. This is an important step. You'd like the rules for the appearance of this table to be added to the external style sheet so that the styles can be shared with other documents in your website. Go ahead and click OK. The CSS rule window appears for this class called Styled Table. Go ahead and click on the background category. And then in the background color field, click on the color swatch and choose the white color swatch, #FFF. Click Apply. Well, you'll notice that the table does not change in appearance. This is because even though we created the class, we need to apply it to this table specifically. With the table still selected, go down to your Property Inspector. On the right-hand side of the Property Inspector, click on the Class menu. And within the Class menu, choose Styled Table. You'll see the background change to white. This means that the Styled Table CSS class is now being applied to the table. Now you can go back and edit the appearance of the Styled Table class to do things such as change the color of the text and more. Go to your CSS Styles panel and double-click on the Styled Table class located at the bottom of all rules. The same CSS rule window appears, and now you can add different properties to the style. The first thing you'll do is change the font family. Click on the menu and choose Verdana Geneva Sans Serif, which is the first option. Go ahead and click on the font size menu and choose 12. To test the style, click Apply. You should see your text change. Clicking Apply is an excellent way to test your styles without having to leave the CSS rule window. Now you'll change the text color. Still within the type category, click inside the color field and type #006. This is a dark blue color. Go ahead and press Apply, and you'll see the color shift. Now you'll apply the same blue color to the border of this table. Click on the Border category, and within this section, click on the top menu and choose Solid. Notice that there's a checkbox marked Same for All. Same for All is a quick and easy way to apply the border on all four sides of this box. Within the Width field, go ahead and type 1. Make sure that px or pixels is selected. And then within the color field, type in #006 to give the border of this table the same color as the text. Go ahead and click Apply. The border won't be obvious until we preview this table within the web browser. However, the last thing you're going to do is to change the alignment of the text within this table. Click on the Block category, and within the Block category, click on the menu Text Align and choose Center. Go ahead and click OK, and you'll see the text center within the table. Before we preview this in the browser, let's go ahead and expand the text slightly so that there's more space between the cells. It's possible to change the size of the table in CSS as well. However, a quick and easy way to do this in Dreamweaver is to simply expand the table. I'm going to click on the edge of the table in the lower left-hand corner and then I'm going to click and drag straight down. This expands the height of the table and provides more space in each of these cells. Let's go ahead and choose File, Save All, and let's look at our style table in the browser.